The Grant Aerona Smart Controller can store and recall a default system setting scheme within its memory. Once a system has been installed and commissioned, the applied settings, including the demand schedules and legionella protection, can be stored within the Smart Controller. This can be recalled if a setting is perhaps inadvertently changed, causing issues with the system. To store the current system settings after the system has been configured and commissioned, go to the Settings icon at the bottom left of the main menu screen, select Service Settings and type the 4-digit password 0000 and tap Enter. Tap Installation Controller. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Default Settings. Next, tap Save Current Settings as a Default and confirm with the tick. The Smart Controller will confirm the settings have been saved. To restore the current saved default to the Smart Controller, you would follow a similar process. In the event of an error, for example, the alarm icon will appear on screen. At this point, you should first attempt to restore to the saved system default. Go to the Settings icon at the bottom left of the main menu screen. Select Service Settings and type the 4-digit password 0000 and tap Enter. Tap Installation Controller. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Default Settings. Next, tap Restore Default Settings and tap the tick to confirm. The Smart Controller touchscreen display will confirm the default settings have been restored. Tap the tick to acknowledge. You can return to the home screen by tapping the back arrow in the top left-hand corner. Note, this process must be completed using the Smart Controller interface. These options cannot be accessed through an online Econet account. Any previously paired thermostats will also need to be repaired to space heating circuits. Find out more at grantuk.com.